Hi everybody, welcome again to another paper airplane tutorial. I am Tri, and today I'm going to teach you how to make an awesome paper airplane. This is a very simple paper airplane that you can fold it in 3 minutes. 3 minutes and you can finish this paper airplane. This is so simple to make. Alright, let's do it now. To make the paper airplane, you need a piece of origami paper. If you don't have origami paper, just trim any paper to a square piece of paper and it should be okay for you to make the plan. Now let me show you guys how to fold it. First of all, let's turn the paper over and fold the paper in half. And then fold the paper in half again. Start from the tip, go straight to the other tip. Next, start from this upper layer and this tip matches to the upper edge. And then start from the upper edge, go straight to this line. Next, start from the upper edge, fold to this edge again. And this is what you should have for now. Next step, let's turn the paper over and fold the paper in half by matching this side, this edge, to the other edge. Very simple. Just make sure that you fold it correctly and do not do it so fast. Just do it slowly so that both sides are even. Alright, so now let's create the wings of the paper airplane. Let me turn the paper this way and I will show you guys how to fold it. Estimate about half an inch along this edge, make a mark, and then estimate about 1 inch along this edge right here. It should be about this side, and then fold out to create the wings. And next, repeat the same fold for the other side. Let's put the paper down and fold it. Here we go. So this is what you should have for now. Let me adjust it a little bit so that both sides are even. Here we go. Now let's adjust it this side too. Now the wings are even. Now let's create the stabilizers. Just match this edge to this side. Repeat the same fold for the other side. And now you have a very cool paper airplane. This paper airplane can fly very well indoor. You can throw it up at 30 degrees. If it doesn't fly well, it should flatten the wings and adjust the stabilizers, especially for this size of the plane. Now you can test it out, and don't forget to give the video a thumb up, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channel.